Hello everyone, I'm Mandy. In this video, I have tried new product to do my today makeup. Now my face already applied skincare and sun cream. Then I start apply concealer. This concealer by the Forever Skin Correct in color 1.5, and actually I never apply concealer for my previous video makeup because I don't like apply many foundation or many makeup product on my face. It become a sick makeup, something like that. I just like a thin makeup, or can say that a tinted moisturizer makeup. But now my face have a lot of black spot that remaining from acne that happened during my period. Then I try to use this Dior concealer to cover all those black spots, but this is the first time that I use concealer. Now I have tried to use the concealer in two ways, in different size. This side I use concealer before foundation by pat it lightly on my black spot, my blemish, and also my acne spot. My first impression about this concealer are thick formula. I think it feels thick on my face, but concealer should be thick texture, something like that. I feel that their texture are thicker than foundation, but let me try until the end. Okay, now I nearly finished those concealer on my face, and feel that it very thicker texture that don't like it. Okay, now let me cover my face with foundation from Dior Forever Foundation. I use this Dior Forever Foundation cover both sides of my face. And this side I already used Dior concealer and add on more cover by Dior Forever Foundation. And another side I don't use concealer. I just use Dior Forever Foundation over my skincare. Okay, now let me show you a side of this makeup look. And I shooting this video with my front camera of my iPhone 13 Pro. I don't use effects. I just edit this video by add on voice recording and add on subtitle on this video only. Okay, now for my opinion, I don't like this step by using foundation or after concealer. I think this look become a thicker makeup look that I don't like. Or can say that I don't know how to blend this concealer correctly, and I apply the foundation. I feel this concealer not cover much on my black spot and just become overall in thicker makeup look. Okay, now let me try to do another way by another side instead by using this concealer over foundation. Okay, after I blend this concealer on foundation. I feel that they cover my black spot well. In this video, use foundation in color 2.5N and concealer choose 1.5N. I think if I bought concealer in the same color with foundation 2.5N foundation and 2.5N concealer, I think concealer will be cover my black spot well. Just what I guess only. Okay, after I compare this both side final look, I think that I use concealer over foundation is better than foundation after concealer. 2 points that I spot out is when I use concealer before foundation, the final look become a thicker makeup look and not cover much on the black spot that I want to cover. And another side that I use foundation before concealer, I think that the final look still remain same, or can say different, a bit different on the area that I use concealer to cover the black spot and not overall become a sick makeup look. And concealer also cover the black spot, do their function to cover the black spot well. But anyway, I don't think this concealer, either we use it before foundation or after foundation, it still cannot cover my blemish on my cheek well. Okay, let me continue to the powder step that I use Chanel Hazy Glow Chip Powder in color N20. I use this Chanel powder with this short brush. This brush are attached in the packaging of this powder. Powder are not add on much texture on my makeup look. That it just make my face not much oily, matte finish. This is what I want my makeup look to be. Okay, now let's continue to contour step that are using Fenty Beauty contour stick in color amber. And this is the first time that I use contour stick. Normally I'm use powder contour or cream contour but never use stick contour. Now I have tried to use the contour stick in two ways on different sides. This side just straight away to put this contour stick on my face and yes, apply it on the area that I want to make contour. I use Real Technique brush in code RG200 to contour on my face. Contour with this brush and notice that the color was gone. I'm not sure that I'll use this Real Technique brush a bit hard until the color was gone, or this color are not quite well for contour my face, or this contour step are not workable. And now I try to contour by using this brush again and again. I just worry that this brush will eat much color of this color contour stick that I put on the face. But it's still not workable. I don't see any much color different on my face that I can be used for my contour. Okay, now let me try to use the contour stick in another way on another side by using the same Real Technique brush but use this brush to take the color from the contour stick and apply it on my face as per this video. And I think this way are workable for me as I see the color of this contour stick are make the shape of my face contour. Okay, now let's find the reason why it's different like that. If you all know the reason, okay, please have to comment below and share me for my new experience. Because I'm not the makeup artist or beauty specialist, I'm just a normal user as you. And this is the first time that I use contour stick. As per what I suspect, I think that because I don't put enough color of this contour stick on the previous side. Okay, then I start to put more contour stick to add more color on that side. And I blend it still that the color still not there. It still was gone. I think was gone because of this brush. But when I add on the color by using this brush to take the color from the stick and apply on my face, it's workable. It can bring more color, more texture on my face. Still don't know the reason why. Okay, now I will continue to another step But for my opinion, I think this color amber are not fit me well. It's suitable for the whiter skin tone rather than my medium skin tone. Okay, now I'm already done my eye makeup, also my cheek blusher, and just continue to lip color. Okay, now let me color my eyelash before lip color. I curly my eyelash before mascara, but sometimes I just curly my eyelash but I don't apply mascara. Anyone practice the same as me? I don't like to draw eyeliner. I also don't often use mascara. Okay, now I have tried new transfer-proof lipstick by Gucci. I have bought this Gucci transfer-proof matte liquid in color 413 Corinia Pink. My first impression about this transfer-proof matte liquid lipstick from Gucci is their texture are transformed from liquid to powdery. That at the first time I think that wow, they can be transfer proof lipstick or not, because I think it become the powdery and this powdery will be not transfer proof. It will easy to fade away as per what I guess. And as per this video, I have applied this liquid lipstick on my lip around 3 minutes to 5 minutes and I test it with my finger. I saw that it not transfer. Okay, maybe this color are a bit lighting shade that if transfer also not see much different. If I compare with the red color, it will better spot out this transfer proof. Then I continue to use the tissue to spot out this transfer proof lipstick. Okay, you can see in this video it transfer a bit, not much. Okay, so this is a new transfer proof lipstick from Gucci, and yes, it will suitable for someone who want their finished lip texture in powdery, something like that. Yes, it same as their name on the packaging that show the transfer proof matte liquid lipstick. Okay, now my video go to the end now. Thanks everyone for watching my video until the end. Bye bye.